In the winter of 2023, the Oslo Public Prosecutor's Office made an unusual request to the Oslo District Court. The prosecution asked the court to issue a ruling declaring that the motorcycle club Satudarah was an illegal organization. The legal basis for this request is Section 222 of the Norwegian Criminal Procedure Act, which allows the court to ban organizations whose members have committed repeated offenses against someone's life, health, or freedom, and if the ban is necessary to prevent serious crime. Today, 9th of October 2024, Norway's Supreme Court ruled that Satudarah is a criminal organization and therefore illegal. This historic decision marks the first time a biker club has been banned in Norway. Satudarah can no longer wear their patches or operate clubhouses in the country. In the initial court ruling, Satudarah was not deemed illegal. However, the prosecution appealed the verdict, and in the subsequent court decision, the club was declared unlawful. Satudarah then took the case to the Supreme Court, which upheld the prosecution's position. The Supreme Court noted, associations with aims that directly or indirectly threaten or violate democracy, or infringe upon the rights and freedoms of others, cannot expect the same protections as associations that contribute to maintaining a vibrant and pluralistic democracy. The court further explained that Satudarah MC has no political or ideological goals relevant to a well-functioning democracy. On the contrary, the organization endangers the rights guaranteed by the European Convention on Human Rights, such as the right to freedom and health. The court pointed out that by identifying as a one-percenter club, Satudarah actively undermines the values of the rule of law and promotes serious criminal activity. The Supreme Court agreed with the lower court's interpretation of Article 11 and its specific assessment that Satudarah MC could be banned. Norway is now the third country to outlaw the club, following Germany and the Netherlands, which banned Satudarah in 2015 and 2018 respectively. The Norwegian newspaper VG previously reported that none of the key Satudarah members identified by police in 2021 had motorcycle licenses, despite the club branding itself as a one-percenter club. Meanwhile, Denmark's Minister of Justice is pushing for a similar ban, pledging that the government will use every possible tool to eliminate the club from the country. Minister Hammelgaard noted that although Satudarah members in Denmark have recently switched their patches to Comanche MC and have become the first Danish MC club to have international chapters, the government's crackdown on one-percenter clubs will continue. Check out my video for more on the Comanche MC. In May, Bandidos was temporarily banned in Denmark while awaiting a Supreme Court ruling on whether such clubs can be outlawed there as well. If successful, Hammelgaard has vowed to target other dominant biker gangs in the country. The implications of this ruling therefore extend beyond just Satudarah. Norway's Supreme Court ruling sets a precedent that could influence the future of other one-percenter clubs, not only within its borders, but possibly in other countries as well. The pressure on one-percenter clubs like Hells Angels and Bandidos will likely intensify as law enforcement and governments take note of the successful legal strategy used against Satudarah. A biker expert commenting the decision said that while the full impact of this decision is yet to unfold, it marks a significant step in the fight against organized crime, signaling that such organizations will not be allowed to operate with impunity. Continuing, as more countries follow suit, it may mark the beginning of a broader, coordinated effort across Europe to dismantle criminal biker clubs, ensuring that they can no longer hide behind their brotherhood to engage in serious criminal activity. Remember to subscribe and please check out my other biker videos on this channel.